Oh, your strawberries have grown a lot since the last time I saw them, Tammy.
Quite so, Angela. Plants grow very well in hydroponic systems.
Don't they get clogged easily? I've heard a lot of people complaining about that when using irrigation systems.
Well, it can happen sometimes. The fertilizers and specially tap water contain metallic ions, such as iron, magnesium, or calcium. These elements often precipitate, forming lime scales in the lines. But I've never had this problem because I've been using ATAMI's ATA Clean since the very beginning of my crop.
Smart thinking. With ATA Clean, calcium and iron phosphate will stay in solution and already formed mineral deposits will dissolve over time. With no mineral deposits present anymore, the ability of organic matter to attach to the inner walls of the irrigation lines is less likely. Consequently, organic fouling can be reduced.
And it's really important to use ATA Clean preventively to avoid worries.
I imagine irrigation lines are similar to the bathroom tubing. If you never clean the shower drain, the hair products and soaps accumulate and clog it. Once clogged, it's really difficult to unblock. Then you must call a plumber.
Exactly. As a tip for all growers, if you want to keep your irrigation lines nice and clean and prevent clogs, use ATA Clean from the start of your growth cycle. You only need to add 0.1 milliliter per liter of nutrient solution.
Whether you're a beginner or an experienced grower, come and join the ATAMI universe for more interesting tips.